All right. You know what time it is. We're still fishing for our first hunter, or we're fishing for that Molten Core Parallel. We want to see that Molten Core Parallel shining in our person. It's gonna be a juicy one here. We got those 7 packs. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, got cooked. This box only has 6 packs in it. All right, I got to. I got. Let's see. I wonder if I can complain to Blizzard customer support. We only got 6 packs. This better be a god blister, dude. I'm talking. We're opening these things and we're hitting just bombs every pack. If not, I am going to be pissed. It's the same stuff so far. That's all the same people we normally get. Oh, it's out of focus. Sorry, I apologize. But I'll start back over. The Cassia, the Rockin' Rebel Racing, Garrosh. Look right on the red. That's new. Queen of Blades. I don't know if we've gotten that one before. I don't think we have. We got an Artanis. Engine. Ooh, and the Lurker. We've gotten that on the nice white background. Oh, we got cooked the pack on this one. That's crazy. Oh, that's cool. We haven't gotten Mercy before. Oh, come on, man. Like, why does my camera troll so hard sometimes? There we go. Oh, that's new also. Lady Vashi. Oh shit. Blackthorn. I don't think we've gotten that one either. Adgar? These are all new ones. Sick. Andoril on the Horde parallel. Let's start different piles. We got the new ones here. Oh shit. Lane Rin versus one of the Garage. I think we've seen that one before. That's still cool though. Archimond and Sylvanas Windrunner. Sylvanas might be new. I think we've seen the Archimond before. The other one's potential. That Queen of Blades might be. Let me put her to the side just in case. She might be. What number is she? 81? Maybe. Well, now I know, Matt. If I ever weigh a Blizzard box and it has 15 weight, if it's 15 weight, unless this thing has some kind of bomb in it, go ahead and just sell that one. All right. Third pack of 6 instead of 7, Blizzard. I'm sending them an email. Oh, the chick on the pack. Quira. Oh, wait. Over here. I already have it. Ooh, a comma. That's a new one. Oh, here's our Haradra crew. Matthew. At least the pack we're missing didn't have the Haradra cube in it. Holy crap, another Lost Vikings red. I think I have doubles of all of the Lost Viking reds now. Sidea. Marine. Ooh, Kargath Blade Fist. That's a new one. That's cool looking. Sorry, I'm wearing gloves still because I was opening up some Chromie cards earlier, so I just haven't taken them off. Icus. Goal. Ooh, That's a new horde. Entarg. Yeah, that's what his name is. Entarg, the print line king. Mal'Ganis, I think that's a new one. Ooh, the Dark Wander. I don't think I've seen that. That's pretty sick. Nerzol, that might be new. And Deathwing. Honestly, those might all be new there. Dude, I would love to finish the set. That'd be cool, the base set. And the Horde set. I kind of want to finish that too. Aligos, we've gotten that before. Reinhardt. Abathur. Anduin. Widowmaker Red. Grail. Stalker. Ooh. Denath Trollbane. I don't think we've gotten that one before. Put that there. I don't think we have. All right, in our 6th pack, not 7th pack. This one better be the best pack we've ever seen. If it has Molten Core Parallel, all is to get. Ooh, Chen Storm Stout. We haven't gotten that one. Reverse Stone. Or sorry, Heroes of the Storm. Apologies. Uther Lightbringer from Hearthstone. Oh, Zenyatta. That's new. Oh, we got a Art of Samwise. That is a 1 out of 140, but I'm sure it's like 1 out of 10 in hobby boxes. Oh, we got the red Diablo. That's sick. Oh, and the regular Diablo. I don't think we gotten this one. A Zealot. I know we haven't gotten a Zealot. And Leoric. Holy, we got a lot of new ones. Art by Samwise, number 9. Interesting. Well, we got Cook the Pack, but we got a 1 in 140 blaster packs. What's Art of Samwise here? Let's see. Let's see real quick. Over the hits. We got the Junkrat Red. Took out the glows, man. Those things were getting hot. Enderell. The Lost Vikings. Entarg. The Widowmaker. And we got that, dude. I was hoping we get the Diablo with the Horde Parallel. That's sick. And we got the Art of Samwise. These are pretty neat. These are pretty rare in the blasters. That's going to be everything. Appreciate you all watching. Till the next time. Peace out.